We went to the store to buy all those stuff for the volcano. Here are some photos to prove that I did buy stuff, and I did make it. I then started to measure the wood so I can cut it perfect. I got the 2 pieces of wood that I needed, and here are the correct ones. I added some glue on the sticks. I then stuck them all around the frame. Here are the results of the frame I made. After that, I started to paint the frame. When it dried, I measured it so it can be centered. I put blue tag under the bottle and supported it by putting some PVA glue under it. Put some glue on a scrunched up newspaper and stick it around the bottle. After that, make a structure of mask tape around. Put a layer of PV glue on top of that masking tape structure. Add some water and PVA glue and add some newspaper to it so you can. After you soak the newspaper, do it all around. You should have something like this, but after that, put a PVA glue layer to make it strong. Make a brown and black paint and then start painting the volcano. Get red paint and make some lava effect. Add PVA glue all around it and make sure that PVA glue is transparent. Add black paint to demonstrate ashes. Add white highlights for extra looks. Add cotton and you'll see why soon. The cotton was grass and rocks are just extra. Spray paint it with waterproof spray. Add 2 to 4 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda depending on how big your volcano is. Now add warm water with food coloring. The moment of truth. We're gonna do it again. Keep safe from the coronavirus.